Serena by Módulo Quatro Arquitetura in Recife, Brazil. The serene house is an invitation to connect with the inner world, well-being, and tranquility. It is an environment that assumes a pulsating visual poetics and welcoming, radiating serenity. The project was signed by Módulo Quatro Arquitetura for this 50 square meters loft in the iconic EDF. Chanteclair, in the neighborhood of Recife Antigo, values the prominence of neutral tones, which print doses of calmness and relaxation. The organic shapes and the use of natural materials make our eyes dance, following the sinuosity of the sculptural elements that come alive and take on multiple functions along the way, where the integration of spaces speaks for itself. Part of the original structure of the century-old building was preserved, and the project developed from it, embracing and valuing especially the robust pillars. The support table that aggregates the pantry, home office, and sink relates to the futon bed and was custom designed to connect with the surrounding imagination and effective. The interior production is a tribute to art and the valorization of our essences. It is made with objects that rescue time and reinforce a sentimental heritage left in each family item delicately.